Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting immediately. Make sure you know your Windows edition and have the 25-character product key or digital license available. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Activation. Once there, click Change Product Key to bring up the entry dialog. Type the key carefully, pausing to verify groups of 5 characters so you avoid errors. If your license is digital, sign into the Microsoft account linked to the license before continuing so the system can match credentials automatically. Now enter the product key you prepared, one group at a time, and press Activate. The system contacts Microsoft servers to validate the key. This may take a few seconds. If it accepts, you'll see an activation successful message and your edition will show as activated. If you see errors, use the troubleshoot link in activation to attempt automated fixes or choose phone activation for guided steps. Make sure your internet connection is stable and retry activation after signing into the correct Microsoft account. Finish by restarting Windows so license status updates across services. Check Settings Activation to confirm the activated state and edition. If activation still fails, use the activation troubleshooter first. It can detect hardware-linked digital licenses and reapply them. As a fallback, choose the phone activation option and follow the automated prompts. Record the installation ID and confirmation number. One key tip: keep your proof of purchase and sign into the Microsoft account tied to the license.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.